banana family, but we do not eat. So it only produces the flower, no fruit.
Go ahead.
So we use it for decoration in weddings and so on. Native to Peru. That's a big one. So this one is called the Rocky Snake California.
Excuse me.
It's a member of the banana family. So it catches water, the birds, the bees, the lizards, the slugs, they drink from it. Rattlesnake California. We realize the count is 19. Alright, so we have the Japanese koi fish. If you're wondering why we have the strings, they're designed to keep the birds out. Yes, we have like the herons, those big birds.
Yeah.
Yes, this is like all you can eat buffet.
Yeah.
Sushi. Alright guys, so if you are smelling something at this immediate moment, it's coming from this tree. The blossoms on the ground is coming from this tree. So it's a red Spanish cedar tree that we use to make furniture. So like the closets, we make the closets and the chests because it helps to keep the bugs and the moths, the termites away. The scent, very scented. Or birds of paradise, and they come in many different colors. So you have the blue with the yellow and the orange, you have the striking red, you have white, many different colors. No eating. So this is the red ginger, but we do not eat, we make perfume. Just like you have the spice ginger, it's the same family, but no eating, okay? We make perfumes and oils and soap. Red ginger. Very nice fragrance. Alright, so we're looking at the rubber tree to my right over here. That's the one with the thick leaves. You may know rubber tree has little plants as well, house plants, but they grow very big like this one too.
Is it the dark grey?
Yes, this one. So if you break the leaf or you cut the bark, it will bleed the milky white sap, the latex. Yes. So we used to make the rubber products like the tires, the balloons, the gloves. Yes, you know. All of that stuff we used to make.
There's a bird that comes and cleans her teeth. Yep. Cleans her teeth. Yep. I learned that on another tour.
You did, huh?
Yeah.
That's what we have.
I just thought a squirrel would run its mouth or something.
I learned that on another
Alright, straight up.